Hey, what's up, family? My name is Brehon and I'd like to welcome you guys back to the channel where we love focusing on our own financial and personal development. Now, family, if you know you've been following this channel, the market is doing exactly what we expected it to do, right? And so after the steep decline, we expect the market to rebound, get back to not to previous levels, but do a slight rebound and then continue its downward movement. Now, family, today, based on the candles, based on technicals, I ended up jumping into 4 plays today, and I'm going to tell you why I jumped into those plays. Okay. All right. And so, family, when we take a look at the daily chart today, we can see that, man, we are trending upward, nice upward trend. And remember, we had a nice sell-off, right? Nice sell-off. And remember, stocks, cryptos, plays, they never move too far from that 20 SMA, right? So we had a nice bottom down trend. Then we had the doji candle. And following the doji candle, what do we need to confirm the uptrend? That the following day's candle is trading above or closing above that doji candle. But we gapped up here. We had a nice gap up, and I really was skeptical about possibly placing a trade because we had a huge gap up, and then after the gap up, there wasn't much action going on after that. So it kind of looked like, a major institution maybe took a position here and was preparing, getting ready for more purchasers, more buying, so they can ride this wave back up, then potentially sell off. And so that we didn't want to fall for the okie doke, right? And so we wanted to have another day to come in and confirm that we are having a move to the upside. Remember, we don't always have to chase money. We could sit on the sidelines and we could wait for good opportunities. And so today I saw that on the daily, we had a nice candle here. It's pretty much an engulfing candle. So this candle here is pretty much engulfing yesterday's candle. And so this is a good sign that we could have a possible bounce to the upside. And so as a result of that, we have more momentum coming into the daily, which is proving that we're getting more action. The oscillator here is kind of starting to bend upwards, and hopefully on the daily we'll get a nice reversal, move to the upside, kind of like back here. We had a nice reversal, move to the upside. We can make some potential gains. All right. And so based on the sentiment of this bullish candle, I decided to jump in and place some buys. Okay. But also, what I like to do is also take a look at the 4-hour chart. And so the 4-hour chart, we did have the downward movement. We did strong reversal to the upside, right? And what do we have here on the 4-hour chart, right? We had an oscillator crossover, and hopefully we'll continue this action upward, and then the daily candle will cross over and mimic the 4-hour chart within the next week. Now remember, when we're having a few good days like this, when we're making money, the market's rebounding pretty good, we're gonna have some days where people take profits. So it could be tomorrow, it could be Friday. People could end the week taking profits, but as of right now, we are on a good trajectory to the upside. And so what we want to do is we want to maximize our profits to the upside. All right, because we all know that the trend is down, and we are going to continue having further downward movement. All right, this isn't going to stop. All right, this isn't going to stop. We will continue having further downward movement. All right, now there's going to be a lot of news out there, and they're going to talk about, well, it's going up because of this, or it's going up because of that. No, what most stock gurus don't tell you is that 65 to 70% of all trading is done by computers, algorithms, right? So 65 to 70% of trades aren't done by someone sitting in a computer looking at the news and saying, hey, I'm going to take large positions, but you do have some people that outsmart some of those computers, right? So they jump in like the purchase yesterday. Someone jumped in yesterday after reading these candles, after reading that we had a doji candle. They took a position here at the start, and they're going to ride this thing up. And so now the computers are coming in, they're buying up, taking positions, and they're going to ride this wave up and eventually sell off, and we're going to have more movement to the downside. All right, remember that. All right, so here is in my trading account, my TD Ameritrade trading account, I placed the August 19th $400 call option. I'm up 4.88% on that. It's possibly more now. On my July 6th 402 call, I'm up almost 9%. My July 8th 400 call option expiring July 8th 2022, I'm up 6.63%. Now with me, when it comes to this account, 5%, 10%, 15% gains is great. 40% gains is excellent. I sell, move on to fight another day. All right. It's all about taking wins. Small wins add up. All right. Small wins add up. So we're going to continue taking these small wins as we can get them. All right. And now in my Robinhood account that I'm actually, be account that I will possibly pass on to my son. I don't use this account for anything but buying shares automatically and placing some call options, all right, or put options. And so right now I have a $400 call option on SPY in this account, right? And so with the expiration date of 8/19, and I'm up 4% on this one. Again, 10, 15%, 20%. Man, if I can get 40%, that would be awesome. But as of right now, it's all about taking profits. Small wins add up. All right, small wins add up. All right, now family, that's all the information I have for you guys today. About to go outside and enjoy a little bit of the weather, but again, let's pay attention to the technicals. And let's find ways and opportunities where we can continue to fatten our purse, right? We can continue adding money to that bank account. Now, family, I hope you enjoyed the information. If you did, hey, hit that like, subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and keep coming back for more wealth building information. Peace.
Welcome to my channel, Stocks and Books by Bree, where we talk about buying stocks and dividends, dividing and supplemental learning. Want the secret? Gotta read. Here we go over the fundamentals you need to succeed. Major keys, you might get some gems, economic gems. So be sure to go hit subscribe so you can stay linked in.